Hi. Welcome back to Veracitiz with another video on a utility on ease of data upload in Contributor application. Contributor application provides great feature for users to plan numbers for their businesses. A typical Contributor application has multiple set of views from different cubes. A planner responsible for planning different aspects of plan needs to input numbers in different views available. Let's take an example where user wants to plan headcount for a department in headcount cube. This approach of planning is time consuming as planner needs to select multiple combinations across dimensions each time. Also, this could be an error prone if a wrong combination is selected accidentally. To solve all these problems, we at Veracitiz have come up with simple solution to easily plan your numbers without risk of errors in quick time. This utility will work using Contributor application. With this approach, planner can load the data hassle-free. Here we have created input screen for headcount planning. You can directly copy data from your Excel workbook and paste it easily. Once the required numbers have been planned, users can commit the data, and the planned numbers will reflect in the headcount cube. We'll now see how to achieve this using just few simple steps. Click on Start button available on Welcome page to get started with configuration of Data Ease utility. You will be redirected to the self-configuration page. Here you will get the list of cubes available on the server. Select the cubes using drop-down list against which the approval dimension is available. Select if the approval is required from the Approver in Approval Required column. Make sure that your selection is valid. Click on Create Input Tabs button to create input tabs in application for cubes selected. Now, using Input tab for respective cube in application, we can start inputting data either by using Pick List or by directly pasting data from Excel or any source file. But make sure that all the fields are selected, which will help you see existing numbers and comments available in a cube and plan further numbers accordingly. A distinctive characteristic of this utility is that it will not only help to easy data input but also validate the numbers and guide the user to input accurate numbers in the system, using the error prompt with a message written on it. To use this utility, ensure that application has already been deployed for the cube where data needs to be uploaded. This will work on Planning Analytics Workspace version 2.0.39 and above. Thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button to keep updated on IBM Planning Analytics new functions and features, and share your comments with us.